Welcome. At DHI Hair Science, we merge clinical expertise and advanced formulations to bring you targeted hair care solutions, designed, developed and made right here in India. Inspired by decades of pioneering hair restoration, DHI Hair Science brings together clinically proven actives like Capixyl, Procapil, Redensyl, biotin and anagain, along with Ayurvedic staples, rosemary, moringa, palmetto, to deliver real results with complete transparency. Every formula is crafted at a GMP and BSI ISO 9001 certified facility in India. Dermatologically tested, vegan, sulphate and paraben free, and rigorously quality controlled. Our products are free from toxic chemicals. We believe in safe, effective and ethical hair care. Experience the science of healthier hair. Visit shop.dhiindia.com and explore our dermatologist-formulated, India-made hair care range today.